To all the members of Gita Academy, especially to Her Grace Radhika Mataji. I heard that today is her good appearance day. I have seen Radhika Mataji when I was there at Vinod Prabhu's house for treatment. The first day I saw this beautiful girl was singing very beautifully, and her mother is also a good music teacher, so she has trained her nicely. She is a very good singer. So maybe few times I have seen her singing nicely and playing harmonium also, playing kartal also. So in the occasion of her birthday, I want to pray to their Lordship of Sri Sri Vrindavan, Sri Sri Krishna Balaram, Sri Sri Radha Sam Sundar Lalita Vishakha, Sri Sri Nitai Gaur Sundar and Srila Prabhupada, to bless her with everything that required for her spiritual growth. Vinod Jain Prabhu requested me, I didn't know that if I can make a video and for this occasion. So I am trying, though I am not that good in this work. So specially I thank to Vinod Prabhu for his attitude and for his kindness, that he is taking so much interest for the benefit of small boys and girls and trying to bring them into right track from the beginning. He is not interested to put them in so-called educational system which is considered as a slaughterhouse by our Acharya. He is bringing them, and he is successful in doing, because one of his daughter is already in high position without going through that so-called educational system. So he has his clear vision and perfect understanding. So that's why created the Gita Academy, and maybe 15 or 16 who are there. So he is trying to push them, trying to train them, trying to help them, guide them to make a beautiful future, a successful future, a good career, and with a simple living and high thinking formula, and attract many youth for this program. If you people will success in your life, and then you can become a role model for all other youth, boys and girls. So particularly, I don't know what is the program, future program for Radhika Mataji in the mind of Vinod Jain Prabhu, but I can see that Radhika Mataji, she is very bright in singing and music also. So anyway, any field, Krishna is absolute, and through any kind of way, if we can try to please him and his devotees, then that is also our success of life. So if she has good interest in this field, she can work on this also. I don't know if some other interest she has or other interest, but somehow or other she is a very good girl and good attitude, good sadhana. When I have seen few times when I used to join the morning japa session, sometimes she used to join, but her pose of chanting is good, straightforward and chanting nicely, bit seriously. That's good sign. But I don't know about her shastric understanding. But once she contacted me for some reason. I think I remember her bead broken or something like that. So I told her that if you don't mind and if you want, then I can give you a very good tulsi bead, but for that you have to come to me and collect it and give me advance information. So I don't know, maybe he has arranged a bead for her chanting, I don't know. But anyway, I expect and hope and pray to Lord for all the participants of Gita Academy who are practicing devotional service and under the guidance of Vinod Jain Prabhu. So I hope all best of all of you, especially Radhika Mataji's father and mother. They are high quality ideal devotee. So definitely their good qualities will reflect on their son, on their daughter. So I hope Radhika Mataji should be a role model for all the girls and women in future in ISKCON. So Hare Krishna, happy birthday to you, Radhika Mataji. Hare Krishna.